Munini wa mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Emily Kamau naugite nimaranyitanira na honge cia andu kiumbe niguo gutigirira nimacithurima ritaniriria kuhurana ungumania guku bururi-ini.
We have more than 100 corruption cases in which business entities are charged, such as companies, partnerships, sole proprietors. We also have international companies, banks and many others.
Kamau wararagia uthithu wa kambuni cia andu kiumbe guka iguru ria wongerereku wa ungumania uria ucungiriire biacara nyingi kwa gukonda uria riugite ruhonge rwake rwihutorete kuingirira.
We acknowledge that the private sector is a valuable partner in the fight against corruption, like it's been said over and over again.
Mutongoria wa ruhonge rwa ujuria rwa KNCCI Richard Ngati ugite ni hari bata honge ici kwaririria ungumania king'ang'a-ini undu umwe na kuhura riboti riria mekwira ciiko ici kuhanika.
Despite Kenya having a sound legal and institution framework that should instill ethics and integrity to businessmen, we continue to witness bribery and corruption cases, which are manifestation of law integrity and ethical code of conduct.
Na ritanjire mu ya kuhurana ungumania kambuni cia Kenya rire mabururi-ini ma ugeni ni itanyitwo guthurimwo niguo gutigirira gutiri mbeca cia ungumania irahuthika kuonjerithirio mabururi-ini ma nanja. Handu-ini ha Kamiti TV, njitagwo Ngugi Magatua.